In this video, I'm going to present you 5 things that will spice up your job, make it hit harder and much more interesting. We're gonna start from the easy ones and build a difficulty level up to more advanced. Make sure to watch till the end, because I guarantee you, the last one will blow your mind. Number 1. Background elements. Those type of sounds are supposed to fill up the gaps in the mix. They're not really noticeable, but they work insanely well. Let's take a listen to a few examples so we can see how big of a deal they are. Number 2. Layers. You will not believe how important they are. If you feel like your track is lacking some beef, that's one of the first things you should take a look at. Most of the times, sounds that synthesizers or real-life instruments generate are not full enough to fill up the space, so they need to be supported by other elements. One of the coolest things about it is that you can really layer all sorts of different sounds and get lots of different interesting, unique results. Here's some examples of one sound and sound with supportive layers.
Man, that beat's so nutty!
Number 3. Complex drum loops. Your track may be lacking movement because of 2 simple drum loops. They're one of the most crucial elements in a song and can't be ignored. They're just as important as the main lead. They make the track move. The right drum loop will move your listeners not only to the beat, but also, because of how good it is, to tears. So let's say you start with the simple kick snare and offbeat snare type of situation. The next step is adding hi-hats. Pay attention to the layers of the hi-hat loop. Now, as we've learned about layering and background elements, we can use that knowledge to spice up the drums. The layers of the hi-hat loop are being panned to the left and right, also are playing at different speed and pitch. Next step are transitions, sweeps, reverse sounds, and fills. Notice that this crash leads not directly to the second part, but a bit earlier, to a fill. Also add some additional perks. You can occasionally layer the kick with the tambourine or any other sound to add some variation. And because this is the second part of the job, I'm introducing a new element, a clap. Number 4. Advanced post-processing. There's nothing less boring than weak, dry sounds. Just a little bit of the reverb, OTT and some distortion is going to make a huge difference. But making interesting drops isn't just about it. Some of my favorite songs I've made include advanced post-processing and sound design. Number 5. Rhythm and automation. There's a bunch of common rhythms you can follow, like this one. But the fun part starts when you begin to explore more unconventional ones. Swings, automations, stops, reverb swells, pitch shifts, and more, whatever you want. This is really what is gonna make a difference. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sign on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.